Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and review this CRAFTSMAN CMEC3KIT. Looks like it's a 6-gallon compressor with an 18 gauge nailer, a 16 gauge nailer, and a pneumatic stapler. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright guys, off the back, this little compressor is nice and clean. Nice bright red. Look at all around from the top. Here's how the compressor looks. Instruction manual. This is what it comes with. That's the 18 gauge gun right there. This one is the 16 gauge, a little fatter right here. That's how it looks. Pretty heavy duty. Nice material. This is the stapler. Looks really nice, heavy duty. Really good. So that's what it comes with. It also comes with a hose. So that's awesome. So this is everything that it comes with. This is what it sounds like. This compressor has 150 psi, 6 gallons. It's a little on the slow side of picking up air, but you know it does a trick. For a little compressor, it's pretty good. So as soon as it turns on, it shakes a little bit so it moves out of place. Other than that, it looks like it's well built, pretty good. So far I'm happy with what I got. So alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment.